Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring and listing slab dimensions and design parameters. This is where mistakes cost time. Once done, convert everything to consistent units and calculate slab area, length times width. Next, determine spacing and bar diameter to find how many bars run across the width. Divide slab width by spacing, round up, then add one for edge support. Make sure to note cover and lap requirements, so your bar count matches structural needs rather than just area. Once you have bar counts, compute each bar's cut length by adding development and lap lengths to the span, then sum for total linear meters. Convert total length to mass using weight per meter tables for the selected diameter, for example, 12 mm approximately 888 kg/m. Then add a waist and overlap allowance, typically 5–10%. Make sure to separate top and bottom layers and any distribution bars. This avoids mixing weights that differ by diameter or layout. You finish by totaling weights per bar diameter and preparing a cutting schedule listing lengths and quantities. Once done, convert totals to number of standard bundles or rods for ordering and include a clear summary for the site crew. If your totals don't match estimates on the design, verify spacing, cover, and lap assumptions. Errors usually come from unit mismatches or forgetting edge bars. A quick fix is to recalc one layer at a time and compare to the drawing to find the discrepancy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.